So when it's time to dye the eggs, you need to have them boiled first, right? And then you get through that whole debate of, okay, do you put the eggs on and do you let them sit in the boiled water, or do you boil them first? So how do you get, nobody likes green eggs and ham. That's the moral of the story. Nobody likes green eggs. So how to get the perfect boiled egg every time? You steam them with our multi-cooker. And for those of you who don't know, our multi-cooker is 4-in-1. And I think Inky did a great demo on this last week, because you can use it to make rice with the rice thing. And you can use it to make pasta and things. It's got a base down here. It's got a little colander. It has a shallow colander and a deep colander, the base and the top. And the way it works is the microwaves can't penetrate here or here. So they go all the way down into the base, and they use the microwaves hit the water, and it uses true steam to cook our food. And I never thought of steaming eggs until I got in Tupperware, but they come out perfect every time. The secret is 12 eggs, 12 minutes, 10 eggs, 10 minutes, no more, no less. I did read Ellen Anna said you could put maybe 8 eggs in for 12 minutes if you put a couple of potatoes in and then cook the potatoes, but you don't want your eggs romping around in there, because ladies and gentlemen, eggs are fragile. And so they break and they explode and stuff like that if you don't have enough eggs in here. But 12 eggs, 12 minutes. And you put it in the steamed portion in the base. You just put just about a 1 1/4 cup of water down here. There's a little line here that's got a little steam symbol, and that's where you put the water to. Sometimes people have said that their eggs didn't come out right, but that's because they put too much water in the base. If you put the right amount of water for the right amount of time, it comes out every single time. And the cool thing is they're super duper easy to peel. So I'm just going to show you that real quick. I steam these ahead of time because, you know, what's exciting about seeing me put a couple of eggs in the microwave, right? So I'm just going to peel them real quick and slice it so you can see how they come out perfectly every time. So I put them in a little bit of cool water, which the nice thing about the steamer is that you can just run that colander under cool water, or you could put them in a bowl afterwards, which is what I did because I wasn't at my sink. When I'm at a party, I just run it under cool water at the hostess's sink in front of everybody. But since we were in here, I just put them in this bowl. That's the bowl over to the side. It's in cool water to cool off so I could peel them without burning my tender little digits. And does not matter if this is a fresh egg that I just got from Siobhan's farm down the road, or if I got it from Kroger or HEB. You're gonna see, look at this. There's no pits, there's no pockets. It's perfect every single time. And now I'm gonna slice it and show you that there's no green eggs and ham here. So this is perfect. It comes out just right every single time. So I absolutely love that about it. I love this product. It's one of the first things I learned to use with what used to be our steamer, but with our multi-cooker. And, you know, if you go through Starbucks and you get one of those protein packs, they're $5. $5. Get you, steam some eggs, put them in your lunches for the week, and some cheese and a little bit of fruit, and you're set to go. But when you're getting ready for your grandkids or your kids and you're going to dye eggs, this is a no fuss, no muss way to do it. You can do it very quickly and get a lot of eggs done. So that's it.